Hey guys, just getting some stuff ready to burn out a stump. I'm going to show you all my special recipe for stump burning. I use the old hydraulic fluid. I changed the oil in the tractor and just a little bit of gasoline. Not much, doesn't take much. See if I can do this one-handed. That should be plenty. I don't want to waste too much of this stuff. It costs a lot now. And just give it a mix. That's some pretty good stuff right there to burn a stump. I'll take this over there and we'll get it set up. Alright, so here's the plan, guys. I got this tree stump middle of my front yard. Gotta go. So I took one of my barrels and I cut out both ends with a saw, or I use an angle grinder. So have that as an option. I also have this as an option now, with all the air holes in it all around it. I tried it though, and the diameter is not quite good, and it's not quite tall enough. So we'll use this for a different tree stump. We'll use this for this. Alright, maybe I can went a little bit taller. What you want to do, get you a big drill bit. I think that's a 3/4. Yeah, 3/4 drill bit. Just drill you some holes in there. Alright. Not too bad for a Harbor Freight drill. Now you want to get your mix that we made. Tree stump mix here. Be very careful not to spill this on the ground. You can help it. Just get it into the hole. Alright. Good to go. Yeah, I'll leave that soak for a little while. Maybe about an hour. Let it soak down into that wood real good. Alright, I'm gonna blow all the fumes away first and make sure. Some fresh air over here. And no fumes building up on me. Alright, here we go. Maybe. There it goes. Might do it. Just a little bit of that. Once the oil starts burning. Yeah, fire's starting to spread over to the little holes there. So I'm going to go ahead and put the cover over it, and it should burn all night long. It's good to go. This will kind of turn it more like into a rocket stove too. Y'all see that fire getting kind of high already. See how it is in there. Yep. Alright, that's it. That stump should be pretty well gone by tomorrow.